The Karcher WV2 Plus Window Vac makes window cleaning simple and quick. Ready to use straight out of the box, the WV2 Plus includes everything you need to effortlessly remove unwanted dirt from windows, leaving them streak-free and sparkling. Using the spray bottle and microfibre cloth, apply the detergent and wipe the window thoroughly. Switch on the battery-powered WV2 and slowly vacuum down the window, removing all dirt and smears, leaving a crystal clear finish. The WV2, with a 280mm wide cleaning head, can be used to clean any windows, both inside and out. What's more, the Window Vac can clean all round the home, perfect for cleaning shower screens, mirrors, work surfaces, car windows, and can even be used for tackling condensation. Once finished, the WV2 is quick to empty and the microfibre cloths can be washed in your washing machine. The simple charging solution means it's always to hand and ready to help.